In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on BloFin. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your account, and then here on your dashboard, you want to go to buy crypto top left, and then you want to go to buy and sell over here in the top left. Now when you do this here, you want to switch over to the buy button here, and then you have to disclose two things. So you want to select what you want to spend and then what you want to buy. So of course, with spending here, it's completely up to you. You could do USD, AED, or of course anything else. I'm gonna go USD over here. And then to receive, this is very important. If you want to buy USDT, you want to go and click on here and select USDT as the option. Now you're gonna have a bunch of different ones. Click on USDT and you are good to go. Then the second step is to type in how much you want. So for example, $100 is going to be roughly this amount of USDT over here. You can see the conversions down here and the estimated price as well. And then here you can select where you want to deposit, and then you have to select a payment method. So of course, there's going to be a few of them. I'm going to click on here. As you can see, I have the card. And then for me, I have this alchemy as well over here. But of course, depending on your region, you may have some other ones as well. Then from here, you want to click on confirm whenever you select this. And you can just go and click on this check mark and click on add new card. You can add your card and then pay. And that way you'll be able to basically get it, okay? Just make sure you know that you may have to verify your account in case you haven't done this earlier, of course, to be able to buy USDT or any crypto here on BloFin. Now in the top left, you also have this bank transfer over here, which allows you to basically do a bank transfer and buy the same way as well. But that's essentially how to do this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.